If your houseplant looks calm, it might be hiding a secret. Because when plants get stressed, they scream ultrasonically. Yep, you heard that right. Scientists recently discovered that when plants are stressed, like if they're cut, dehydrated, or just unhappy, they emit ultrasonic popping sounds. That's like up to 40 clicks per hour. We can't hear these noises, but some animals and insects can, and they might use these plant screams to decide if a plant is healthy enough to munch on or lay eggs. The secret? It's a bit like the sound of cracking your knuckles. Tiny bubbles inside the plant burst, making these wild sounds. This could totally change how we think about plant communication and maybe even lead to tech that tells us when our plants need help before they wilt. So, next time you pass a quiet garden, remember, it might be noisier than you think.